last week in November. All you December 1sters, it's almost here. I'm a December 1ster, so it's good to have some ideas generating and some gift box ideas. So it's great to have lifestyle expert Tania Motuzas here with some gift sets for us. Good to see you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great to have you in studio, and great for you to help me out with my shopping. Where do you want to start? Because everything on the table is a gift set.
Almost, yeah.
Okay.
And I love shopping gift sets because usually it's a great value, right? So Kiehl's has a ton of gift sets this holiday season for everyone from, the skincare beginner to the skincare expert. And I'm really loving this Ultra Hydration set because it's got 4 full size of the Ultra Hydration line. So it's got the moisturizer, the cleanser, the toner, the creamy eye treatment, and then as well as the Hydro Plumping Serum, like a little travel size. And these are great for Canadian winters. And $10 from every gift set sold goes to the Foundation of the Stars, which is a charity supporting children with heart disease.
Can you get that somewhere else besides Kiehl's, or do you have to go to a Kiehl's store?
You can get it online as well.
You can get them online too. Like Kiehl's is my kind of go-to too, and it's great when you go into Kiehl's. And I don't use any of that stuff there, so it's always nice to kind of branch out into some of their other products because you're always getting the samples of their products, and it's.
And this set has literally everything you need for a skincare routine, so it's perfect.
Okay. Can't go wrong with some jammies and slippers.
Yeah, and I think jammies is such a fun gift, and these are all from La Vie en Rose. And La Vie en Rose is a Canadian company who, they're super well known for their PJs and robes, and these come in like a variety of prints, fabrics, from sizes extra small to extra large, and they come pre-wrapped like this with the ribbon, so they're just ready to gift.
Some are fuzzier and cozier than others. What should we go here with,
Isn't
Tania?
that so cute?
Right. Okay. And then the slippers there too.
Yeah.
Okay. So these come.
They come pre-wrapped like this. So.
Okay. But they don't come with the slippers too.
No, the slippers are separate.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's some aromas coming off the table here from all different kind of celebrity.
Yeah, so we've got some celebrity beauty brands. These are all from Shoppers Drug Mart, and Shoppers is definitely a go-to place for beauty gifts because they've got a lot of like limited edition gift sets and exclusive brands that you can't find anywhere else, like the Kylie Skin. Like you can't find that.
Kylie Skin is here in the front,
and you can only find that at Shoppers in Canada. And I love the Hydrate and Glow mini set because it's got 4 of her best-selling products for glowing skin. And then this Florence by Mills is actually the brainchild of actress Millie Bobby Brown. So this is like a little face mask gift set.
Where would we know her from?
From Stranger Things.
Oh, no way. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, she has her own brand now.
That's the thing to do. Everybody has their own brand, I guess, right?
And of course, Ariana Grande.
Okay.
And
look at that good little box.
Yeah, and I love this. It's so retro inspired, and this is the Ariana Grande's Cloud fragrance, and it smells amazing.
Is that what you're wearing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very, very good. Okay, we're running out of time. So what's this collection over here?
Yeah, so Winners is definitely another one-stop shop for everyone on your list for less. So this is like for the foodie, we got something for the tea drinker, something for everyone, and you really can't beat the prices at
Well,
Winners.
you think Winners and you think clothing, but they do have a lot of these gift boxes.
Exactly, they've got something for everyone.
Gift packs too.
You can't beat the prices.
And then the bubbly.
Yeah, so a nice add-on to any of these gift sets would be like a nice bottle. So I've got 2 from Bottega. The gold is a fresh and floral brut prosecco, which goes really well with turkey dinners and seafood. And then the Bottega white gold is actually like a crisp and elegant sparkling wine, which is like perfect for toasting the festive season. And it goes really well with like an aperitif or a fabulous accompaniment to shellfish. And the bottles are so festive.
Yeah, I think it goes well with anything. Just make sure it's chill and it's great to go. Where can people follow you?
On Instagram?
Yeah, what's your Instagram?
Tania Motuzas.
Awesome. Great to see you. Great to have you in the studio.
Yeah,
some great
thank you.
ideas. Continue as we get closer and closer to December 1st and closer to the holiday season. We'll be back on Morning Live right after this.